Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can perfectly share your YouTube channel link on your Instagram bio. So let's get started. You just need to follow my steps. Very simple and easy process. Just go to your Instagram profile, click on Instagram profile icon, then go to edit profile. Then you'll see an option called website. Just paste your YouTube channel link on this website like this. Then click on the tick mark on top right corner and you are ready to go. If anyone sees your YouTube channel, if anyone wants to go to your YouTube channel, they will see a clickable link right here. They will click and it will redirect to your YouTube channel. So that's it. Very simple. If this is helpful, please do like, share and subscribe.